Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to give a fade in Kanban view of Odoo 16. So for that, here you have the Kanban view. So I'm going to the employees module, and here you can see the Kanban view of the employees module, and if you click on it, you can see the form view. So here you can see some details that is already mentioned here in the Kanban view. So if you go inside, you can see different fields and you can easily list those fields in the Kanban view. So I'll show you that. So for that, if you go to the backend view of this module, so here I have inherited the view. So you can see the model here from here. As you can see the model that it is hr.employees, and you can easily get the model from here as you can see. So this is the model. And now let me go again to the backend view here. And here, as I've specified the inherit ID, that is the reference ID. So this is the reference ID. So let me show you how to get the reference ID of any view in Odoo 16. So going to the front end view of the module. After enabling the debugging mode, you need to go to the edit view Kanban. And once you go here, you can get the external ID. So this is the reference ID or the external ID of the view. So you can just copy it from here and paste it there. And after that, you can specify the class or the fields where you want your field to be visible. So here, as there is no fields here, you need to specify the class. So I'll show you how to get the class here. So this is the class of the Kanban details. So all the details are mentioned inside this class. So as you can see here that some details are already mentioned here. So you can easily get the class and you can give the position where you need your field to be mentioned inside this class. So as you can see here, you can just copy it from here and paste it there. And you can specify the field which you want to be displayed. So this is the field. As you go inside the form view here, you can see a field here, and after enabling the debugging mode, you can see all the details, that is the field name, the model to which this field belongs to, the type of the field. And after that, after giving the code here, you can run the code. And if you go to the apps, you have the option to upgrade the code. So as you have done some changes in your views, you need to upgrade the module for that, so that the changes reflects inside the module. So after upgrading it, you can go to the apps here, sorry, the employees here, and if you click on it, you can go to the private informations and you can just change the gender. So I'll keep it as female and save it. So once you save it, and if you go to the employees, that is the Kanban view of the employees, you can see that the gender field which we have set in the Kanban view is displayed here. So you can see in Rust records, no gender has been specified or not seen in the Kanban view because we have not set any gender for the employee. So once you set the gender for the employee, if you go back to the Kanban view, you can see the value here that has been displayed. So it's really easy to display a field in the Kanban view of Odoo 16. That's all for today. Thank you.